Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of regular 9 to 5 and dreaming of sipping pina coladas on a beach while your business runs itself, here are 10 futuristic business ideas that'll make you say, why didn't I think of that? Let's dive into the future with the 10 most profitable business ideas you need to know about. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, there's something here for everyone. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get ready to explore the business ideas that are going to change the world. Let's get started. First up, we're talking artificial intelligence, but not the Terminator kind, hopefully. AI is already changing the game in so many industries. Think about it, companies like OpenAI are creating AI that can write code, create art, and even write scripts like this one. Okay, maybe not that last one. Imagine building an AI-powered marketing agency that helps businesses target their customers like never before. Or how about an AI-powered healthcare company that can diagnose diseases with incredible accuracy? And the best part? You don't need to be a tech genius to get started. So if you're looking for a business idea with massive potential, AI is definitely worth considering. Next up, we're talking about saving the planet and making bank with renewable energy startups. With climate change being a major concern, the demand for clean energy is skyrocketing. Just look at Tesla. They're not just making electric cars anymore, they're a full-blown renewable energy company with solar panels, battery storage, and more. Imagine starting a company that installs solar panels on homes and businesses, or develops new energy-efficient technologies. You could even create a company that helps people switch to electric vehicles or invest in wind energy. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is you'll be making a real difference in the fight against climate change. E-commerce is booming. Thanks to giants like Amazon and Shopify, setting up an online store is easier than ever. Think about it. You can sell anything online, from handmade crafts to digital products to, well, anything. You can even drop ship products, which means you don't even have to handle inventory. The best part? Starting an e-commerce business requires very little investment. You can literally start with just a laptop and an internet connection. So, if you're looking for a low-risk, high-reward business idea, e-commerce is definitely worth exploring. Let's be real. Everyone wants to live their best, healthiest life, right? That's why the health and wellness industry is booming. From fitness apps like Peloton to mental health apps like Calm, people are investing in their well-being like never before. Imagine creating an app that helps people track their nutrition, or a service that delivers healthy meals to their doorstep. You could even start a fitness studio that specializes in a unique type of workout. And with the rise of telehealth, there are tons of opportunities to provide virtual health and wellness services. Whether it's fitness, nutrition, mental health, or something else entirely, there's an audience out there waiting for you to help them live their best lives. Remember offices? Yeah, me neither. Remote work is here to stay, baby. The pandemic forced many companies to embrace remote work, and guess what? It worked. This shift to remote work has created a huge demand for tools and services that support remote teams. Zoom, Slack, and Asana are just a few examples of companies that have exploded in popularity during the pandemic. Imagine creating a platform that helps companies manage their remote teams more effectively, or a service that provides virtual office spaces for remote workers. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is you can work on your business from anywhere in the world. In a world increasingly reliant on technology, cybersecurity is more important than ever. Think about it. Every time you use the internet, you're potentially exposing yourself to hackers and cyber criminals. That's why the demand for cybersecurity professionals and solutions is skyrocketing. Imagine creating a company that helps businesses protect their data from ransomware attacks, or a service that educates individuals on how to stay safe online. And the best part? You don't need to be a coding genius to get started in cybersecurity. So if you're looking for a business idea that's both profitable and in high demand, cybersecurity is definitely worth exploring. Remember sitting in a boring classroom struggling to stay awake? Yeah, the future of education is looking a whole lot brighter and personalised thanks to the rise of online learning platforms, Khan Academy, Coursera, Skillshare. These are just a few examples of platforms that are revolutionising the way we learn. Imagine creating a platform that personalises learning based on a student's individual needs and interests. Or how about a platform that connects students with expert tutors in any subject imaginable? You could even create a platform that teaches valuable skills that traditional schools don't even offer. So, if you're passionate about education and want to make a real difference in the world, this might be the perfect business idea for you. The traditional 9-to-5 grind is so last decade. The gig economy is booming, with platforms like Uber, Lyft, Fiverr and Upwork empowering people to become their own bosses and set their own hours. Want to be a freelance writer? You got it. Want to drive people around in your spare time? Done. Want to design websites from your couch? Easy peasy. And the best part? The gig economy is constantly evolving, which means there are always new opportunities popping up. Imagine creating a platform that connects pet sitters with pet owners, or a service that helps people find local handymen. So, if you're looking for a flexible and potentially lucrative business idea, the gig economy is definitely worth exploring. Fast fashion is out and sustainable fashion is in. Consumers are becoming increasingly aware of the environmental impact of their clothing choices, and they're demanding more sustainable options. Companies like Patagonia and Reformation are leading the way, but there's still a huge opportunity for new businesses to enter the market. Imagine creating a clothing line made from recycled materials, or a company that offers clothing rental services. You could even start a business that helps people upcycle their old clothes into new garments. So if you're passionate about fashion and sustainability, this might be the perfect business idea for you. Okay, this one might be a little out there, literally. But space tourism is no longer a pipe dream. Thanks to companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin, space travel is becoming more accessible. And with it, a whole new world of business opportunities is opening up. Imagine creating a company that offers guided tours of the moon, or a space hotel that allows guests to experience zero gravity. You could even start a company that develops specialized spacesuits or space food. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Starting a space tourism company is a little bit more complicated than starting a blog. The point is, the future is full of surprises, and the most successful entrepreneurs are the ones who are bold enough to dream big. And there you have it, folks. The 10 most profitable business ideas for the future. We have posted more futuristic business ideas in the description of this video, so you can make use of it. Which one are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Remember, the best business idea is one that you're passionate about and that solves a real problem. Hey, when you invent the next game-changing product or create a global empire, just remember where you first got that spark of genius. That's right here, from our Let's Talk Money YouTube channel. Before you launch into space or the metaverse, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, because even masterminds need a little financial advice. Who knows? Maybe our next video is the secret ingredient to your success. So hit subscribe, like and share this video with your future business partner. And when you're rich and famous, just send us a thank you note from space.